Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can blur a video in Canva. But the question is it possible? Well, the short answer is no, not really. In fact, the general consensus on Canva community when it comes to blurring a video is actually by just adding some sort of shape, and then you want to put that shape on top of the picture or the video, and you want to basically blur that shape. It is something that you can do, but it's not a proper blurry effect. In fact, it's more like a transparent object that you put on top of the image. So right now you cannot create a proper blurry effect to a video in Canva, but there is another solution that I propose that actually not elegant at all. But if you are interested, then here's how you can do it. So the idea is we are going to download this video as a format, as a dimension that is way smaller, and then you want to upload the video back to Canva, and then you want to enlarge that small video into the original dimension of this document, and then you want to download the file as a small video again, and then you want to repeat the process over and over again, and eventually it will make the video maybe blurry, but blurry is not the right word. It's more like pixelated, and it will be applied to the entire video, so you cannot just apply that effect to a specific portion of the video. So this is for making the whole video blurry or pixelated. Okay, I will go ahead and click share, click download, and I'm going to make sure to select the file as MP4. Let's reduce the quality to minimum, and I'm going to click download. Okay, now I'm just waiting for the video to be rendered, and I'm going to upload the video back to Canva and repeat the whole process again. Okay, the video has been uploaded to Canva. So let me remove this photo. Sorry. The video has been downloaded to my computer, and I'm going to remove this video first. And I'm going to replace it with a smaller version of that video. And let's make it bigger. And let's click share again, click download, and reduce the resolution even further, and we are going to download this video back. Okay, let me click download and repeat the process. Okay, the video has been downloaded. Let me remove this video and replace it with the lower resolution one. Okay, we probably have to repeat this process over and over again until the picture will look really blurry. So this can be quite exhausting, but I guess if you are okay with that, then this is the method that you definitely can try. Okay, let me do it again. Click download, click MP4, and reduce the quality, and click download again. Alright, let's remove the video and upload the new one that is even lower quality. The best thing about this method is that it will actually go down really quickly. So you probably still remember the original video, still look really sharp, but this one is, very low quality. Now let's repeat the process again. Before, quality is minimum, and I'm going to click site download settings because I don't want to repeat that setting again. Okay, this is actually the 10th generation, the 10th re-upload. So this is after 10 times back and forth uploading and downloading video as a low resolution, and then expand the picture to the size of the canvas. So just to give you an idea, this is the original image, this is the original video, and let me put it here. I'm going to show you a comparison between the two videos, so you can see how much degradation that it has compared to this video. So let's put it here. Sorry, let's put it in the middle, and here put her on the frame, and I'll do the same for this. So the left one is the original, and the right one is the one that has been compressed. So as you can see, the quality is certainly different, and yeah, I think it shows. Yeah, it looks so different. And yeah, one is very sharp, you can see her face very clearly, but this one is not very clear. You cannot see the details. So yeah, that was very interesting. That's definitely not a common method when it comes to blurring video. But given that we don't have any dedicated menu or feature in Canva to blur a video, then I think this could be worth it. Assuming that you are okay going back and forth, downloading and re-uploading the video 10 times in a row. But it actually took me less than 5 minutes to do that. So yeah, I hope you find this video to be helpful, and if you want to see more tutorial like this, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.